Good afternoon, friends. I want to welcome you to my hike today. I am Jenna Ambridge, Assistant Director here at Sky Lake Camp and Retreat Center in wonderful southern tier of New York. We are in the midst of the wonderful snowstorm. I call it wonderful because I really truly love this time of year. I'm standing on a path that you may not travel on too much if you've been on the trails here at Sky Lake. Behind me, over here, are two pavilions that have been set up, and they've been here for many years. This is what we call Firewood Grove, and those pavilions we use for housing our firewood that is managed and cut and set up around site, as we have lots of acreage of forest and woods that falls on its own a lot of time, and sometimes they fall and end up across paths. But I'm coming to you. I'm going to walk down from Firewood Grove through this set of woods here along the west side of the lake, and join me as we go along. It's always fun and fascinating to look at the woods in the winter. If you look at, in this case, the trees, notice how the snow is sticking on the north side of the trees, but yet not on any other side. In this case, the wind coming from northeast blowing that way. You'll see some of the trees leaning in that tendency. This is an access trail that goes down to our West Shore Waterfront. You see that in the distance. And I don't know if you can see it, but the sun is trying to shine out more than it is. All the clouds are blocking it out. But which encouraged me to continue to come outside on the hike today, because the sunshine makes for a beautiful day. So this area on the West Shore serves as the waterfront for the cabins, where we have usually our neurotypical program, elementary, junior high age programs that come and walk down from that side of the trail through the woods and the cabins, and they come down here to swim. So these two posts, I'll call them, sticking up out of the snow, that is actually the ladder for our floating raft, jumping raft in the deep end area. And you see the bumps in the snow are where the wind has moved the snow to cover over the docks that our lifeguards sit on and guard the swimmers. But this is the West Shore area. Sometimes the signal leaves here, so I'm not going to walk around a whole lot, but I wanted you to take a chance to still see the lake and its beauty. As we're on our hike today, did you have a chance to hear Matt and his campfire message on Sunday? He was talking about how we can live out our baptismal vows, and that what are you doing today to help those who suffer an injustice to live your life with Christ? I think of times in the storm, such as what we're experiencing now, that we can help those that are struggling, making sure that people are warm, making sure that they have enough. What can you do to help? Such beauty today, even though it is cold and windy. Hopefully you can hear me in all of the snow that's coming my way. Hope you have enjoyed this hike along the West Shore. You can see my tracks from where I came down, the access trail from Firewood Grove. Enjoy the beauty of today. Be warm, be safe. Still try to get out and enjoy nature and all its wonder. Have a wonderful day. Join us again on Thursday for another hike here at Sky.